Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda Ipswich. We have here a Toyota Auris that ticks every single box if you're looking for a used car. It is the Auris 1.6 XL. It's 2014 64 registered with boot tray. Looks like it's never had anything on it. It is a one owner car from new, and the service history is as immaculate as the car. All the servicing is done with Toyota main dealer, on the year every year. It's covered 37,000 miles currently, and its last service was completed October 2022 at 36,000 miles, so really has not been used a great deal in the last few months. Let's have a look on the inside. So here we are on the inside of the Auris XL, and we can see the mileage is 37,758, and it really does have everything I think you probably need. We've got sat nav, we've got rear camera, we have dual climate control, so you can set the temperature different on both sides for you and your passenger. It has heated front seats as well. Hands-free, telephone, cruise control, everything. And it really is like new on the inside. Try and find a better one. So there you have it, the Toyota Auris 1.6 XL, 37,000 miles. Just to recap, one owner from new, full main dealer service history, low mileage, excellent condition inside and out, supplied as a Honda approved car. So you've got your 12-month Honda warranty, your 12 months approved Honda Care Assistance Program, which is breakdown cover. It's a full health check inspection by our Honda qualified technicians, and you can have it almost immediately. Give us a call, 01473 659 591. Go on the live chat, www.johnbanks.co.uk. Hit us up on Facebook. Like and share our page, leave us a comment. Hope to see you soon.